I'll be showing you how to get foreign numbers right in this video, particularly for surveys. Okay, but before that, help like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. So once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, it's going to bring you right here. Now what you're going to be doing is to insert an email address. Just watch me so I can show you the process of doing this. So what we are going to be doing now, after inputting your email address, the next thing you want to do is to put in a mobile number. So after inputting your mobile number, click on create account. So right here you can see we will now send an email with a pin to this particular number. So click on send email. So a pin will be sent to that particular email. So this is actually the code. So I'm going to put it 875190. Okay, so this is how to create your account. It's very simple. Allow. So you can see all set. You have successfully completed the setup. Here's a few pointers to help you get up and running. So click on next. So under credit balance, here you will see your current credit balance. You will need credit to make calls and send SMS to anyone that does not have Zay. So tap on add credit and to manage your credit settings. So click on next. So these are reviews of what you'll be getting in this app. Open this drawer to access your other mobile numbers, profile, or add a new one. You can have maximum of 4 virtual numbers. Any calls or SMS will then be sent from this number. So click on next. So right here, this is how to get a mobile number on this particular platform. All you can do is to come right here. You can see the virtual number. Come right here and give it a name. So let me just say Joaking. Let me see number. Okay, let me just say Joaking number. You can put this, you can put in any name. You can just name your number. So then you come down right here and select the country. Let's say we actually want to select the United Kingdom. So you can see we have Belgium right here, we have Canada, we have France, we have Poland and Ukraine. So these are the countries that are available. So let me say I'm going for the United Kingdom. So I'll come down right here under number and select a number. Okay, so what you just need to do is to come down right here and select a number. So select automatic assign. So once you select that, you can come right here duration. So under this duration, you can actually see that for 1 month you'll be paying 3,000 naira for this. Now for 3 months you'll be paying 5,000 naira for this number. So most times I advise my students on surveys to go for the one of 5,000 naira. So let's say we want to go for 3,000 naira right here for 1 month. So what you just want to do is to come down right here and you are going to be seeing pay with account balance or pay with app purchase. Let's say we want to pay with your account balance right here. So what you'll be paying with is when you have funded your account. You can go ahead to pay with your account balance, which I recommend for everyone using this particular platform. So when you want to go for the other option that says pay with in-app purchase, this will require you to link your card to this platform. So once you click on that, let's hold on and we're going to be having an interface that will display the process of which we are going to be using to purchase this number. So right now, I don't know why it's taking long to pay with in-app purchase, okay? But I don't recommend you go ahead using in-app purchase, but if you want to go ahead, it's also safe and fine. But what I do most times is to pay with account balance. Probably after getting your number, let me show you how you can navigate on this platform. Now this is my account balance right here. So this is what I did. I clicked on this button that showed in Naira. So once I click on that, you can see top up. So you can top up right here, which is the better way for you to purchase number. So once you click on top up right here, you can see that you can pay 1,000 naira, which is the minimum you can use to top up your account. So you can come right here and top up 5,000 naira, 5,030 naira. So once you click on pay right here, you are going to be making payment to top up your account. Now when you come right here, you can see the minute bundle and the SMS bundle. So you can come right here under minute bundle and see all bundles that are valid for 30 days. You can see Belgium, Benin, Burkina Faso. So they have so many of them right here. So these are actually a minute bundle. So when you come right here, you can see SMS bundle as well. So right here, as a new user, what you can do is just to add a profile. Put in your profile picture, put in the virtual number you want to get or the name, just give it any title. Come right here and select the country. So you can actually come right here. These are the available countries that are right here for your virtual numbers. Okay, so when you come down to your account, you see that we have the call, the chats, and also we have the settings. Okay, so right here you can do some settings on your account since you want to start using this particular platform to get your UK number specifically. Now when you come over to profile right here and you click on this plus sign right here, it's going to direct you to where you can get this UK number. Just come right here and select your country. As you can see right here, you can come right here and select automatic assign and select the duration. Now the only duration we have right here is 1 month, 3 months, and 12 months. If you're the kind of person that wants to use a virtual number for completely 1 year, you can go ahead for the 12 months, which is very affordable. You can also go for the one of 1 month, which is also affordable, for 3,000 naira. So you just go right here and click on pay with account balance or pay with in-app purchase. So that is how you can get your virtual number right on this app. Eventually you have issues on your account, you can come down to support right here. You can see frequently asked questions right here, and you can see their WhatsApp contact center. You can see that right here, so you can go ahead to ask your questions, also send them email to their support center. So let's say we come over to FAQ right here. You are going to be seeing the frequently asked questions and answers that was given to these questions. So right here, these are the frequently asked questions. Whichever one you want to get to view and read, you can actually view that for yourself. You can come right here and select your preferred language, which is English. Then you can close this, so you can see how to pay on our site. What is ZAI? Why should I use ZAI? Do I need internet to use ZAI? Can I make calls without internet access? I cannot receive my calls. So these are frequently asked questions which you can go on to get answers on. Now, how do I pay on this site? You can see that right here. And why should I use ZAI? You can see that right here. So once you click on this, you can see you can save on local and international calls and get additional phone numbers on your existing numbers, allowing you to keep your personal numbers private, use your ZAI numbers for work, online dating, classified ads, or a host of other reasons. So these are the benefits of using ZAI. Simple to use mobile app, keep your personal number private, free online calls and chats, make low calls and SMS, receive calls and SMS, customize each ZAI profile, personalize each voicemail, easily see who is calling, decide when you are available. So these are frequently asked questions which you can go ahead on this app to see. So that is how this platform works. You can find the link to create an account for yourself on the pinned comment section, so you can start using this platform for your monthly UK or any foreign numbers for surveys or any platform. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It's always advisable you join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I want to give giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online earnings in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.